I don't know what's in what.
Well, I'll explain it to you.
Yeah.
Of course,
Yeah.
we're doing a pickle flight. These are the ones that I made a couple of weeks ago that I really don't like. I want to start with them.
What is that? What's in that one?
It's dill, just plain
Dill?
old
Okay.
like regular dill pickles.
All right, let's do these first 5. What's the second one?
The second one is one I made today, which is supposed to be a Copycat Claussen thing, and I'm thinking it's going to be too salty.
Okay.
This is my yesterday's horseradish, I think.
Okay.
And then this is today's horseradish.
Okay.
The difference is I brined these. That's the salt brine. And these are just flat out cucumbers I dumped in there.
Okay. What's that last one? The number 5. Yeah.
This one, the hot one, hot plain one that I made for my son, well, Gabe. Doesn't have like onions or anything in there that he might turn his nose up to.
Okay.
This is actually the same thing.
Okay, I can't get all of them at one time. And this is the deal.
And it's been sitting at least like what, a week or 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Heavy deal. That was the dry deal, or was that the fresh deal?
Only
that was a dry dill.
Yeah, that's all of them are dry dill or dill seed.
Okay.
Except for that one.
Okay. All right. And this the next one is
Copycat Claussen.
Copycat Claussen. Okay. Okay. Look at the bend test. See? It bends. Okay.
Is that supposed to bend?
Good crunch. You put cheese in it?
No.
Okay. Tastes a little cheesy. That's good.
I actually like that.
That's only, you don't brine it for today, right? Day 1 only?
Day 1.
Okay.
I think it's rice vinegar.
Okay. She's meticulous about a recipe, so therefore she can actually make it back again. I won't, because I have no clue what I put in everything.
I didn't write anything down.
But you know the recipes where you looked at.
Yeah.
Okay.
The little one?
Yeah.
All right. Yesterday's brined horseradish.
Y'all got good crunch. Really good crunch. No heat, because it's only been 1 day in horseradish.
I like that.
That's good.
We'll see if we like this better, but
Yeah.
you know, remember that it's today.
Only the finest.
Dork. Okay, new horseradish.
And you're using the ground horseradish that you get in the jar, not the ones that you actually have to grate.
I'm gonna have oh, there's the heat.
Or it has a back heat.
I love that.
So, if you actually colored it, it could be called wasabi pickles to make everybody think it's real wasabi. All right, let's see. We're going to the pickle number 5.
Plain spicy pickles.
Plain spicy pickle. All right, plain spicy.
It's got a heat to it. It's got a mega kick.
You can see it's a little bit different color. Good kick. How many days is that?
Oh God, like a week.
That's about as far as it's gonna go. Yeah. You know you're from the South, you're gonna have a pickle flight.
Yep.
That's good.
Okay. This is the new hot that has, or newer hot. I think I made it like 2 days ago. Only one that I've got fresh dill. It's got onions and garlic and all sorts of stuff in it.
Extremely crunchy. What pickles should be crunchy. Is this the bread and butter? Okay, good. I just want to make sure.
That's better than this.
That's because this is fresher.
It needs to be shaken up a little bit and set a little more, I think. It's a little too strong for me.
Now these aren't as crunchy.
Less pickle crisp.
Okay.
Or I may not have even put pickle crisp in it. I'm not sure. I've learned to increase the pickle crisp for these quart jars from a 1/4 teaspoon to a teaspoon and about a half. So I'm learning.
Yeah. All right. The last one.
I think I may take the turmeric out of this because it gives it a yellow color.
That's what they want.
I don't want the yellow color. I don't particularly like it. To me, it looks oily. I have a lot of mustard seed on it. Just grab what you want.
Bread and butter. Homemade. Oh yeah.
What makes this recipe different, I think, is that they had a cup of sugar and a half a cup of packed brown sugar in it. So
these are all coming. Yeah, these are all coming out of the garden. No going to the farmer's market. These are actually homegrown.
Yeah, those are good.
Yeah. So, as we can tell, we're from the South, so therefore we like our bread and butter pickles.
Just a little.
The most expensive pickles to make is bread and butter pickles. Yeah, think about all the stuff. Think about the dollar amount cost compared to all the other ones. That's the most expensive one. That's what people complain about.
If you compared it to the horseradish, though, I don't know. Because it comes out of those little jars of, I just use prepared horseradish.
Yeah. Or you can use that dry stuff. That fake wasabi stuff.
Oh, no. The horseradish takes 4 tablespoons in each quart jar. So, gee, honey, do you like the bread and butter pickles?
I like all of them. This is crunchy.
Do you care that they're yellow looking?
I don't know yellow.
I'm proud for my first pickle excursion.
As you can tell from back here, we're going to have a tomato flight next couple of days with a different type of tomato she has grown. So, but yeah, that was really good.
Thanks.
I guess we get more jars because that's good.
Yeah.
Mine break down and get another fridge.
Do you like this?
I like them all. They're all fine, but if I had a choice between, I would like a spicy bread and butter pickle.
What kind of spice do you? You probably want the chili pepper spice.
Chili pepper would be simple, yeah.
Oh, that's fire and ice pickles, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway. Okay.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. And like they all say, click the like button and hit subscribe. Like I've ever said on any video. All right, guys. Foo for woo.